We're here with Paulette Pesner today, who is going to show us how to clean the SD501U Enagic under-the-counter Kangen Water machine. Thank you so much, Paulette.
Oh, my pleasure. First, let me get out all my little supplies. Here's my beautiful machine. I laminated the instructions so that they would last a long time. And while I'm under, I'm going to do the acidic solution also. Okay, so step one, get out this little filter here, unscrew it, turn it upside down, insert funnel.
And that's the e-cleaner, the reusable cleaning cartridge.
Yes. I'm going to add 1 packet of solution.
The citric acid packets.
Okay. There we go. Screw this back on. Okay. So step one is to unscrew the cap and add the cleaning powder. And then step two, after turning off the water faucet, we're going to remove the filter down here. So we want to take this little cover off.
Do you unplug the machine first, or does it not have you do that?
No,
Okay.
not the under counter.
Okay.
Because it has to run. Part of
Gotcha.
the cleaning process is to turn it on and run it for a minute. There are also the cleaning instructions on how to drain it here if needed. So we're going to unscrew this. I can't remember which way it turns. This way. Follow the arrow. Okay.
It should turn left. At least that's what mine does.
Yeah, the arrow shows this way.
Oh, okay.
It actually shows to the right.
Oh, okay.
Well, maybe it's to the left to undo.
There we go.
To the left. Take the ring off. And first, though, I think I need to drain it. So you pull this little plastic thing out here, and it clicks right here.
Oh, okay. Let me get a close-up of that. So it
Clicks on.
Okay.
And then whatever water is in the machine will drain out.
Gotcha. Do you have to do that periodically, Paulette?
Once a month.
Once a
is
month.
when I clean it.
Okay, and you only drain it when you clean it.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Because what happens is you're going to take this off and then put that on, and then you have to turn the water on for so many seconds for it to run through there to get the cleaning solution into the machine.
Gotcha.
So you want to drain the excess. All right, and you just push down on this little clip. It's very easy.
And there's water. You're pouring that water out in there. Excellent.
I'm just going to put this down here. Okay. So now I'm going to take this off. And set it here in the sink, upside down. Now we're going to put this on, and it's very easy to line up.
Yeah, and make sure, I'll take this moment to say, make sure that those little black rubber O-rings are on the cleaning cartridge, but not left from the main filter.
Right.
Like this filter needs to have its black O-rings when you take it off, And then that cleaning cartridge needs to have its black O-rings when you put it into the machine.
And I haven't had any problem with them falling off or
Yeah.
anything. Okay, now we're going to put the locking ring back on. And it's turn to the left to unlock it, and then turn to the right to lock it back. All right.
Yeah, and I usually look real close to make sure there's no space between that ring and the base, because that's how you can tell if it's locked tight. Otherwise, you'll get water. If you see a little space, you know it's not locked on there, and you'll get water coming out of there.
Okay. So step 3, it says place the cleaning powder in the unit, which we did. Okay, now step 4, turn on the faucet to allow the water to flow through the flexible pipe for approximately 10 seconds. Then turn off the water. So I'm going to turn the water on, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't have it on there tight.
Oh, getting a little water out. Okay.
Actually, I think this one can only stay about 5 seconds.
Okay. So about
I
5
think 10,
seconds.
yeah, 10 is too much and it starts forcing it out.
Oh, okay. So
Because
it's good to have
so
a little
small.
towel. Yes.
It's so small.
Okay. Good to have a little towel.
And then
under
that
there.
sits for 24 hours.
Really? You do, oh.
Overnight.
Okay.
Well,
Okay.
not even really 24 hours, just overnight.
Uh-huh.
And then I take it off. You undo the locking ring.
So you would reverse that process.
Back to the left and take the ring off. Take the cleaning filter off. Put this one back
That
on.
filter back on.
And
just
put
like
the locking ring back on.
Okay.
And then you would turn the water on and it would say it cleans it.
Okay.
And it would filter out all the
And I usually run mine about 15 minutes. They probably would recommend the same for this one as well.
the machine will tell you
Yeah.
when
Okay.
it's done,
Perfect.
which is nice.
Awesome.
And that's
And
it.
just let it sit.
And
Ah,
once a month at the most, really.
Really, for
depending
you?
upon how much you use it.
right.
It's just me, so
Yeah.
mine really doesn't need it that often, but I'll do it anyway. Just
So if one person once a month, if you have more, then maybe a couple of times a month or even every week if you
if
think you
even
need
that
it.
much,
Yeah.
it will tell you. You'll be able to tell when it needs to
Excellent.
be cleaned.
Thank you, Paulette.
You're
You're
welcome.
wonderful.